Hello seniors, Barry here. So this video is to my noble facilitators or teachers. You can all bear with me that technology is controlling the world at a faster pace, not leaving out the educational sector. There are a lot of tools that you can use to increase productivity in the classroom, but I would like to highlight on only two. The very first one is ChatGPT, which I know most of you know about, and the second one is quizzes. So the question is, how do I use these two tools to increase productivity in the classroom? Without further ado, let's dive into that. So open your browser and open ChatGPT. So I have it open over here. And now the question that I want ChatGPT to give me the answer to is already typed in MS Word. So the question is, make 10 multiple choice questions on the topic Introduction to Databases to Access Basic 5 Learners. Each question should have 4 options, 3 wrong answers and 1 correct answer. So I copy this and paste in ChatGPT to give me the questions with the possible answers. Alright, so there's no time to waste. ChatGPT is doing the magic. Alright, so I copy the very first question that says, what is a database? Copy, go to quizzes. From here, I click on create. So create, then quiz. Multiple choice, which I'll get the space for A, B, C, and then D. Alright, so I paste my question over here. I then go back to ChatGPT to copy the rest of what the alternative answers. Okay, so I'm done with my question and the alternative answer. So the next thing here is to choose the right answer to this question. So from the answers ChatGPT gave, I think the best one is what this one here. So I click on the upper circle of this alternative answer. Alright, so I then save the question. I can add more questions as I want to, but for the sake of time, I'll just use this question and then we wrap up. So from here, I can publish the quiz for my learners to answer anywhere they are. Thanks and stay connected. If you like content like this, kindly follow and like for more. Very here.